Civil lawsuit for wrongful conviction. I absolutely think this is coming. And there are some really interesting factors that are already coming out now that make me think this is going to be a successful case for a wrongful conviction. Number one, a man named Malcolm Bryant, his family on his behalf got an $8 million settlement, and he was wrongfully imprisoned for 17 years. And a certain law enforcement officer messed with evidence to make sure he got that conviction. And what do you know, but that same law enforcement officer was involved in Adnan's case, in his arrest, in his prosecution. So you better believe they're going to look into that. Another thing, the state attorney, Mosby, in the press conference, condemned the former prosecutors and former law enforcement officers on this case. So the fact that she's coming out and publicly saying that does not look good for their defense. For someone who was convicted for 17 years in a similar situation with much less notoriety getting $8 million, you better believe that this case would be worth a lot more. I think we're looking in the 20s. I mean, I think this case could be astronomically big, because how do you put a price tag on 23 years, and not just 23 years, but from the age of 17 to the age of 40? How do you put a number on that?